Hi there, and welcome to my tutorial about uploading VPs into the repository. So to start with, I have brought in an existing VP that I finished this process with, but what I was really trying to extract was this model. So like my previous situation with this, I have brought in a model, and let's just, oh, whoops. Let's go with what it may have been by default. When you first bring in a model, it will likely be structured as such, where you have a person. There might be something wrong with the texturing. In this case, I can see through his shirt, so that's not the appropriate texture in this case. And when I check his model here under rigging, I can see it was under generic. So the first thing before I do any steps going forward, and in fact I'm going to want to delete that what I brought in, is I'm going to want to change this from generic to humanoid. And I want it to create it from this model. The defaults are going to be fine. This is, by the way, a direct output from iClone that I'm utilizing here for this example. So with this, by switching it to humanoid, it's going to change the process, or it's going to change the model, so that it's able to use generic animation, or animations that are made for a humanoid, rather than ones that are specific to the model itself. This is the first step you must always do with every single humanoid character that you are working with, and you're going to want to make sure that when you have done so, it is propagated throughout all your things. You're not working with an older version of the same model. And then we'll talk about making it into a prefab next.